Got it in the can?
Yep, I got him. Okay. What's this? I got my hand on top of him. He can't get out. Good. Be real careful with my nuts. You know what you record. I don't want to have to squirrel, but.
He's in the can with all the nails?
Yeah.
All the nails are
That can is full of large old nails.
These railroad nails?
Yeah, they're spikes.
Why do you have railroad spikes?
Because I use them now and then. How am I going to get this up? I got to think about this a second. There's the screw.
Tilt it sideways.
Oh, wait, he's in there pretty, he's got to be, that's a pretty tight space.
Can we just turn the can sideways?
No. Here,
You might
let me see. I
take
got to
the-
go out the
can you
way I
take the
get it
top shelf
before.
off?
How did I get this in? Got this in. Move this box a second. Whoops. Throw any.
Just keep your hand tight because he's gonna make it go. He's gonna make it. He's gonna go for it. Make sure you cover up your spots.
He's gonna jump at somebody's face.
Pause me in the face and you get fleshy bacteria.
That'd be bad. Are you sure he's in there?
Oh yeah, he's in there. Yep. Okay. You got the whole can, right?
Yep. I got the can. I got it. I got the whole can. Now, how am I going to get him into this can?
Should we put it back in the can?
Okay, we can put the cage over the top of it. Or you know what? Just, you got gloves on too. Help me.
Take the can out.
Yep.
Yeah, he's a stinky bugger.
Now, he can get through a real small hole, remember. He's pushing up against my hand now, but that's okay. You can get out
Take
those.
these out too?
Yep, he's okay so far. Okay. 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 I'm bringing him out.
No, don't let him out.
Are you
I
sure?
got a hold of him. Okay.
Yeah, you think you have a hold of him.
Oh, he bites on my glove, but.
Don't let him bite you. Try not to kill him.
Hopefully not. Open it up a little bit.
There, we got two of them.
Stinky buggers.
Did you get bit?
Nope. Good gloves. Good old welding gloves. Okay.
All right. Pest
All right.
control at your best. We should start another business.
Right there.